I'm Joe McFarland, Executive Vice President of Stores at Lowe's and proud Marine and Desert Storm veteran. Veterans Day is an opportunity for all of us to pause and recognize the brave men and women who have answered the call to serve our country. It's also time to express our deep gratitude for their courage, sacrifice, and unwavering dedication to protecting the freedoms that we enjoy every day. At Lowe's, we're honored to be an employer of choice within the military community, with more than 26,000 service members, veterans, and military spouses working across our company. Earlier this year, Lowe's was honored to be named a 5-star employer in the 2025 Best Indexes Employer Awards, one of the program's highest distinctions. This recognition reflects our strong commitment to recruiting, hiring, retaining, and developing veterans. We pride ourselves on partnering with groups that support service members as they transition to civilian life. Earlier this year, the Lowe's Foundation invested $500,000 in the Hiring Our Heroes organization to build a skilled trades academy near Camp Lejeune, helping prepare service members for careers in the skilled trades. Beyond our walls, Lowe's remains committed to making a lasting difference in the communities that we call home. Through our 10 million square feet of impact initiative, we're building and improving areas that strengthen our neighborhoods and support organizations serving veterans and their families, including restoring and renovating gathering places like the VFW and American Legion halls. This Veterans Day and every day, we stand united in our appreciation for those who have worn the uniform. To all veterans, active duty service members, and military families, thank you. Thank you for your service, your strength, and your continued contribution to country and communities.